Today we're changing the oil on a 2022 Jeep Compass. The tools you need for this are 5.5 quarts or 5.2 liters of 0W20, an EA15K50 oil filter or equivalent, a 13mm socket or wrench, an oil drain pan, ramps, a funnel, some rags, and oil filter pliers could definitely be handy. The first thing we're going to do is pop your hood by pulling the latch down the bottom left. Then, when you lift your hood, move that latch to the left, lift the hood, and secure the rod. We will also remove the oil fill cap. Place the ramps in front of the wheels and drive the vehicle up. Going under the vehicle from the middle, you'll see the oil filter and oil drain bolt. Your vehicle may also have a plastic skid plate that must be removed first. Let's start by removing the 13mm drain bolt and let the oil drain out. Reinstall the drain bolt. Loosen the oil filter and let some of the oil drain out. Then you can remove it completely. The next thing we're going to do is pre-fill our new oil filter. This is going to have the engine not start dry, which should help its longevity. I'm also using AMSOIL's Signature Series 0W20 for this. And also, don't forget to lube the O-ring so that the oil filter doesn't stick to the housing. Going back underneath the vehicle, install the new oil filter. You only need to turn it 3/4 to 1 full turn past snug. Using your funnel of choice, add 5.5 quarts of 0W20 to your engine. Don't forget to check the dipstick to verify the oil level before we close the hood. Close the hood and we are almost done. To reset the oil life monitor, put the vehicle in the run position and hit the gas pedal 5 times. And that's it, you're all done. Thanks so much for watching and see you next week.